brake too. Grab that clutch. Okay. Woo! He made it. Oh my god, it's a T-Rex fossil. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's gotta be in the 20s right now. I can hardly feel my hands. Alright, welcome to Luis TV. I'm out here with Geneva and Peter. This is one of the famous Geneva death rides. She has brought us to a place called Gear Grinder. Let me show you this thing real quick. It's just boulder after boulder of slippery, snowy rocks. Now, it's hard to tell the incline in this GoPro videos, but I promise you, this is just steep. Let's see how it goes. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Woohoo! One bike down, 2 more to go. Woohoo! Peter was right behind me the whole time, helping me go up, pushing me up. Thank you, Peter. Whoa! Slippy. Now Geneva tries.
My feet are slipping every time I try and do it. Or when I put a foot down.
I think Geneva might be right. I think that might have been the hardest part right there.
It's just disconcerting when you can't put your own foot down.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
I'll bring this over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, lean it towards me.
This is what memories are made of, right here.
Now I can't see.
Are you all foggy?
I'm not taking them off until I'm done though.
I put mine over here because they were getting foggy. I'm like, F that, I want to see. I want to see.
I'm tired. Thanks for putting my kill switch where I could see.
Yeah, okay, 2 down, 1 more to go. It's Peter's turn. He has never ridden this. He's only seen us struggle up this thing. We got you, Peter.
Well, that's the challenge, the snowball challenge.
Oh, this is so good. Look, he's got a handle. Someone can pull and someone can push.
Exactly why I have it.
There we go. Well, he was at the very end there. Peter was going much faster than we could walk. Oh my God, Peter.
Let's try that when it's dry.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I was ready to go shooting off into the tree.
Geneva, thank you for bringing us here.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Thanks sure
This is
not
the
leaving
workout I
you
needed. Ah, f***. Oh my god, these trails are so good.